Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Now this heat wave rolls on. Every single day of July so far has gotten to at least 90 degrees. The normal high is 85. We hit 90 on the 1st of July, 93 on the 3rd. Of course, the hot 4th of July with 95 and 95. And at last check, 95 on the 5th. At last check today, the high was 95. Here at the station, we hit 96. We've also had a few isolated to spotty storms pop up this afternoon, break through that cap. And you can see how what they do is they pulse up, then they rain themselves out. They don't last long. You get a brief downpour, gust of wind, thunder, lightning, and then the sun comes back out. It's almost like Florida weather. So all these are collapsing, but the rain cool they're rushing out from these is producing this outflow boundary, and you can see it acts like a mini cold front. Or a snow plow. It's pushing northward and it's bubbling up these clouds. So we may see a few more cells pop on this outflow boundary in our northern counties over the next few hours. You can see the few cells that have popped up this afternoon, and they rain themselves out. Highly variable rainfall. I saw on South Earl Avenue an inch of rain. Then you go down to Miami Elementary, quarter of an inch, and then south of there, few hundredths. West of town here, nothing. Here at the TV station, less than a tenth of an inch. But we'll watch this zone as a few more cells develop and move northward. And we still got a couple cells down here in southern Montgomery County that have popped up, and a couple cells out here just west of Fowler. So for the evening, if you have gotten the rain today, watch for a little patchy fog developing tonight. Any spotty storms come to an end, will drop to 80 by 11 o'clock. We have a few storms popping underneath the big upper ridge around, but the heat's going to roll on until the weekend. That's when a cold front comes in, cools us off just a little bit. Some scattered storms tomorrow, stifling hot, 95. It's going to feel like 102. Highs 91 to 97 doing it. Viewing area wide with heat indices near 100 to as high as 107. Wednesday, just a couple isolated storms. Otherwise, a little patchy fog in the morning, 97 for the high, and that heat index peaking around 104 with highs 92 to 98, and the heat indices around 100 to as high as about 107, 108. Patchy fog giving way to clouds bubbling up tomorrow, and some scattered storms developing. They fizzle out by tomorrow evening, and then just an isolated storm or two on Wednesday before we get a round of storms possibly Friday evening, Friday night, and a few storms Saturday. Then it gets a little bit cooler by Sunday. So this very intense heat with temperatures 10 to 20 degrees above normal will start to abate just a little bit. You can see the extent of temperatures in the 90s over the country. Watch Sunday, a little bit cooler right there. You'll see that in our 7-day forecast. 97s Wednesday and Thursday, 91 on Saturday, and then there's that 88 on Sunday before we go back to the heat wave next week.
All right, Chad.